to my channel. This is Kritik. Today I will be exploring KISTAREDDYPET Lake. Let's dive into it. In this winter season, we found several species like Flamingo, Spoonbill, northern Shovler ducks and Pratincole. The cutest bird is Pratincole and many other species which will be covered in my video. Here, there's a lot of activity of swallows. They hunt for food in the water and come here for resting. If you look at them, they are very vibrant in colors and tiny. Due to their small body, they fly fast and it's very hard to film them. However, I could manage to capture in flight. Wagtail. Found two colors of them today, white and yellow. They prefer to be alone while hunting for food. They do move their tail regularly even while walking. That's why called waggy tail. Wood sandpiper just chilling there. The red avadawan, also called as red munia or strawberry finch, is a sparrow-sized bird. Pratincole. Wow, one of the adorable birds I have ever seen recently. They are cute with beautiful plumage. We witnessed hundreds of them in this season. Their flight is fast and graceful like a swallow or a tern, with many twists and turns to pursue their prey. They are most active at dawn and dusk, resting in the warmest part of the day. Usually, they lay their 2 to 4 eggs on the ground in a bare scrape. Seems like they are breeding now. See, found 2 eggs. As we see, they look very cute and small on the ground. However, when they fly, we see their wings are long and stunningly beautiful. Spoonbill is looking for a place to land. There are the Kentish plovers flying fast. It's got the place to land just behind the stilts. First I got scared and started flying. So do I. Do I have time to ask for a reason? Nah. Amazing! Seeing it for the first time of my life. Juvenile Flamingo. Only one is migrated here in this season. I think it's resting now. Not much of a movement, but let's wait and see. Though it's only one, it could easily mingle with other species. There you go, it's finally working. Kentish plovers. They fly really fast as a flock. It is a feast to our eyes as they turn in and out while flying. You see for yourself. While we are heading back home, we also found a common kestrel, which was looking down for its prey. In the evening, we are entering from other side of the lake, which is close to the birds. Just have a sneak peek. The shore of the lake is muddy, though we need to find a dry place around to sit and film peacefully. The plover and the little stint. The common green shank. Common green shank, spoonbill and northern shovel. Look how amazingly they are flying. Here comes the river turn. This is how it catches a fish. These turns will be mostly active in the evening just before the sunset. You witness their activity soon in this video. Look how cutely they are walking. Wow! Along with terns, barn swallows and pratincoles also very much active just before the sunset. They do fly just over the water. The flying style of sandpipers. Filming birds at eye level enhances the point of view and brings more magic. close attention now. You're going to witness a memorable takeoff. Whenever you see slow motion, we captured them in 120 fps for better observation. See how wonderful this environment is around with several birds and their sounds, especially in the early morning and in the evening from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I hope you also enjoy visiting this place with your kids to have a memorable time. See you later.